Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best short trees for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tree is called 311, so it's 11 with a 3 instead of an E. That's the first, letter. So basically it's a theme, guys. So awesome dark and color theme with beautiful details. So it has more than 810 plus icons, 7 icons, 1 set of folders, iPad 2, 1 AE shadow, badge, folder names. So and that's what it looks like. This tree is called Use It Pro, and basically it's now with iOS 13 support, only with the perfect caller ID solution for your device. So it tells you, who's calling you. This tree is called BioLocker, and basically it's with iOS 8, 9, 10. It's a lightweight and elegant protector for your apps. So as extra protection to most of your important apps with a simple fingerprint or passcode protection. So protect your photos by blocking the access to the apps until you authenticate with fingerprint passcode. So pretty cool. Just kind of like buyer protect headsets. This is called Mini or Minotaur, and notifications in your status bar. Supports all devices on iOS 13. So it's with older and newer devices in mind. So it's great on every iOS 13 device, even if it's old or new. It also works on iPhone and on iPad. First, fits on any setup, highly customizable. You have dark or light mode, adaptive badge coloring, the option to hide banner notifications. That's what it looks like. This is called Face Down to Lock, and lock device by putting it face down. Compatible with iOS 13 and 14. This is called Hollow Glow, and it says in the name it's iOS-based theme with a touch of glow and hollow appearance. Has glow and hollow community through every icon and was crafted with precision and time. This is called Gradient Bubble Color. Colors iMessage colors. You have gradient colors, bubble colors, so change the colors, for iMessage. And this tree is another thing called P's Status Bar. Your status bar icons and pods. This tree is called Be Gone, and temporarily clear an app's notification badge from the 3D touch menu. This tree is called Floaty Tab. Make your tab bar floaty. This is called Sleep Saver. Also, what you want to mention, guys, this is actually on a sale for 99 cents. It's a Christmas sale, so it is over after Christmas. So we wish you guys to pick this week up if you're interested, today or tomorrow. So basically, as fully customized screensavers to your iPhone, iPad, or iPod, supports iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. You have all these features right here. Like I said, guys, pick this up quickly because it will be higher at the price after Christmas. This is called Aurora. Shiny icons need shiny names. So make your calendar, weather, clock, and music labels stand out or useful. This tree is called Anime My Badges Pro. Merry Christmas. Are you tired and want to take control of your badges? Anime My Badges Pro is here. Click on the advanced innovative animations spice up your bland home screen. Anime My Badges Pro allows you to customize your apps to every aspect, the way you can tune your settings to fit your preferences. And last week, ended it with a Santa tweet, since it is December 24th, the day before Christmas Eve. It's called Santa Switcher. It supports iOS 13 and 14, and the tweet gives you the chance to have Santa labels, icons in your switcher. So just like that. And also, lastly, I just want to mention, guys, this Christmas sale. Obviously, it's after Christmas, you won't get the sale. But if you're watching this right away, which I hope you guys are, then you guys would be qualifying because it's a Christmas sale. So all tweets on the repo of yokitoki.com are actually free through Christmas. So if you want to get any tweets from that repo, they are free. So I think I do have it. Let's see, I have a bunch of sources just to make these top tweets videos. But right here, Yokitoki, that is the repo. So all these tweets on here, there's about like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's like 14 tweets. These are all free for the Christmas special. So make sure you guys download these while they are free for Christmas. But yeah, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.